Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today. We are back in the kitchen. It's just so nice in here. I wanted to keep filming, so we've got the sun peeking out outside again, and it's getting so close to Christmas. Do you realize next week this time we'll be basking in the glow that was Christmas and enjoying the day after Christmas. I don't know if you do any of the sale shopping then. I typically haven't gotten out to do that in years, but maybe you'll be doing that. So anyway, for today, I'm still wearing one of my favorite holiday shirts. So if you can't read it, it says, I just want to drink wine, wrap Christmas presents, and watch a Christmas movie, which is usually how I feel most of December. So it felt appropriate today. It is my daughter's last day of school, so she'll be getting off midday. I think 11:50 is when they dismiss. So we'll plan on having lunch together and, you know, starting off the holiday season and the time together at home. So that's kind of nice. I'm looking forward to that. She had her little holiday party with her kindergarten class yesterday, which was really cute, and, you know, just sugar and lots of fun, but oh my goodness. So it'll be fun to just wrap things up today and, you know, really shift into holiday mode and kind of vacation mode. It's actually, let's go ahead and talk about our mission. So we are on to our second to last super cruising mission. It's mission number 14, and it is your errand day if you follow the Fly Lady system. So she, you know, says each day of the week there's just a general theme that you're going to have. So for Thursdays, it's usually errand day, and I don't know, we may get out. I might take my daughter out with me after she gets out of school. Maybe we'll go have lunch and just run a few errands. But I think I have all of my gifts bought, so I don't think I need to do that. I'm going to double check my list in my holiday control journal one more time. But, you know, take a look, see if you need to go get any more gifts, even just gift cards or little things like that. See if you need to pick up any toilet paper or coffee or milk or just any of those staples if you have company coming or guests planning to stay the night with you, that you need to make sure you have some extra things on hand for that. Make sure that's ready to go. What else? She even says, do you want to pick up a table decoration? You know, do you want to have, what was the other thing? Table decoration, or just, you know, some fresh flowers or something like that, just kind of make the house feel festive. So today is your day. Let's get those errands run. I did make it to the library yesterday, but if I hadn't, then I could have done that today. Thankfully, I live one block away from the library in my little town, which is so nice, and I have to pass by it to get to my daughter's school, so it's real easy to just walk through their parking lot and return things anytime. But if you need to make a trip, you know, plan on doing that. And other than that, just enjoy, get ready. We've got a few more days left. We'll have our on my mom's side of the family, we'll get together on Saturday this weekend, so I'm looking forward to that. I think I have everything pretty much ready to go. What I usually end up doing, because our family is like this, so if you have this same situation, maybe this is something you've already done, or if you haven't, you might try it. As I'm packing gifts and getting gifts ready to go, I usually keep either a box or a big bag, like the great big ones from Aldi, or, you know, just some big bag you have on hand, that's for each household, so that after it's wrapped and addressed, and I know, you know, it's one of the ones that needs to go to a cousin at my mom's side, or it needs to go to my dad's house, I just have a bag for each holiday gathering we're going to, so that once it's time to go that day, I know that I can just go down and grab that bag up, and I have all the gifts for that house, and that's made it so much easier. I started doing that years ago. Sorry about that. I had a phone call, but I'm back. So yes, anyway, I have our bags packed and ready to go downstairs with the gifts for each household that we need. And then if we're bringing any snacks, that'll just be the last thing to grab on our way out the door. So that is, that's what I'm doing today. So that's your mission for Thursday for your second to last super cruising mission. So let me know in the comments down below if you have everything bought, everything wrapped, and you're ready to go, or if you're still getting the last couple of things and finalizing everything, which is okay too. you know, some years it's just like that, and I've had years like that myself where I'm just having to get more of it last minute, and that's okay. But anyway, thanks for joining me today. I'm really excited to see you tomorrow for our last super cruising mission, and that means Santa's coming really soon, so we are all really excited. And it's going to be a great Thursday, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button down below, and I will see you then. Have a good one. Bye-bye.